Hey guys, welcome back to the Mini Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making easy, delicious, no-bake energy bars. Now this is a delicious snack and super healthy. So let's get started. Okay everyone, we're gonna start off in a medium-sized bowl with 1.5 cups of 1 minute quick oats. And right now we're gonna add any kind of dried fruits, peanuts that you'd like to this. Now for right now, I'm adding 1/2 cup of roasted peanuts and 1/2 cup of pecans, 1/2 cup of dark chocolate. Now, dark chocolate gives it a nice little sweet taste to this, and it is much more healthy than milk chocolate or white chocolate, but you can use any chocolate you like. And then I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna mix this with a whisk until it's all incorporated together. Once your dried ingredients are all incorporated together, they should look somehow like this. And now we're gonna save this for later, and we're gonna go ahead and mix our wet ingredients. Okay everyone, on a thick pot, we're gonna heat it up to a medium heat on our stove, and make sure you have adult supervision so no accidents happen. Now on our pot, we're gonna add 1 cup of peanut butter. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of smooth honey. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now we're just gonna mix until it's all melted and incorporated together. Once your wet ingredients are all melted and incorporated together, we're gonna turn off our stove, and we're gonna take it out of the stove and wait till it cools down a little, so when we add it to our dry ingredients, it doesn't melt our chocolate. Once we have our wet ingredients all cooled off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna incorporate our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients and mix it until it's all mixed in together. Now we're just gonna put it in like this. And I transferred my wet ingredients to another bowl so they would cool off. Now I'm just gonna mix this until it's all mixed in. Okay everyone, once your dry ingredients and your wet ingredients are all mixed in together, they should look like this. And what we're gonna do is, in a pan, you can use a square pan or a rectangular pan like I am using. We're gonna add our mixture. Now, you can use parchment paper, but it's not necessary. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now is we're gonna put our mixture in the pan, and we're gonna flatten it out until it's all flattened in the pan and it has a rectangular shape. Now you can use your hands to do this, but make sure they're really clean, because we do not want any type of germs on our energy bars. Once your mixture is all flattened in our pan, we are gonna go ahead and add this pan into the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. And we're gonna cut these, and we're gonna have the best energy bars of our lives. So let's go ahead and put it in the fridge. This is how my energy bars turned out, and they look delicious. Now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So let's taste it. It is salty, but it has a little bit of sweetness of that chocolate that we added. Amazing. It is so delicious, so healthy, and so easy to make. This is a perfect recipe, and it will sure give you a lot of energy. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And you know what else I do appreciate? Is if you could subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. See you next time.